All right, all you Impala lovers, here we done found ourselves another Impala. Yeah, you may say it's a little rough, but it's got character and it's got a soul. You know, that's the way we like them. When it comes to an old car that you want to have fun in, it may not be top notch, but it's an Impala. And this thing, yeah, it's got some faded paint. I like it. I'd buy it if I wanted it, if I was in the market for it. But maybe you guys are. So we're going to look at it in here. You can see it's automatic. And it's got a space. Nice, very nice dashboard. The seats look to be original. And because they fit the color scheme, most definitely. Front and back. It's a little tethered back over there, but who cares? It's got a sunroof that was installed that didn't come with the car. It's a pop top. It's a pop top. So, yeah, that didn't come with an option. They didn't have those like that. You had a full sunroof, And those things will automatically come down and go in. That's just a pop top right there. So that was way aftermarket. But this thing here is clean. It's just as old and it's seen its better days, but still, it's still an old car and it's dual exhaust. There's one tip right here. You got the nice big trunk space. Outside of that, the roof is still good, man. I mean, hey, I don't see any other problems with it. But, these things, if it was an SS and it had this certain type of motor in it, it'd be worth a lot of money. And this one here is a Survivor, and it's stamped 350 on this side. Let me look on the other side and notice that. I overlooked it, my bad. 350 on both sides, But, like I was told from some Chevy fans, certain 350 sucked. Said they wasn't worth the money they were made with, But they said certain 350s suck in the Chevys, See a little bit of wear here, but I don't know. Here's the other exhaust tip. Just because it got a 350, would I buy it if I was in the market? If I was in the market, I got to be a little rough spot here. But let's look at the information board. Let's see what they're talking. 350 V8, 1970 Impala. It's got a turbo 350 automatic, dark green. You see the price on it. I don't know if that's the actual original. This couldn't be the original miles. It's probably got another motor in it. But if you guys are in the market for a nice old Impala 1970 with a 350 in it, I'll leave the contact information here for Gateway Classic Cars. Now, it's a nice car. Don't get me wrong, but like I said, I could never tell you how to spend your hard-earned money. But this is a nice car. If you like it, give them a call. Later, guys.